Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about the logical OR operator in C++. So we are going to write the program for a patient monitoring system. So in this patient monitoring system, what actually we want to do is like we need to read the pulse rate of the patient in a minute. If it is more than 100 or blood sugar is more than 200, then system should display the warning seek doctor attention. Otherwise, system should show a stable patient. Okay, so that means any of this condition arises, we have to trigger the system warning. Correct? Any of this condition arises, we have to generate the system warning. So two condition must be checked here, but not at the same time. Any of this is okay, then it should generate the warning. Okay, so for in this kind of situation, if we already know that if you want to combine more than one condition, we'll be using logical operators. So we already have learned about logical AND operator in the previous video. So if you haven't watched that video, I would recommend you to go back to that video and understand about the AND operator. So here we cannot use the AND operator because AND operator will combine more than one conditions together and it will return true only if all the conditions combined are true. Okay, but here any of the condition is okay, we want to do the action. At the same time, we want to combine more than one condition too. So in that case, we will be using another logical operator called OR operator. Okay, so let's try to complete the program using the OR operator. So here I have written the variable for reading the pulse and sugar, and I have done the statement for reading the pulse and sugar also. Now I will start with an if. So I'm saying if pulse greater than 100, so this is my first condition. Then I'm saying sugar greater than 200. So these two conditions we want to combine together with an OR. For the OR, we will use the pipe symbol on your keyboard. So open the brace, then we can see out a warning like need urgent medical care. Okay, all right. Okay, then in the else part we will give cout stable patient. Correct? So how does this program is going to run? First it will read the pulse rate, then it will read the sugar level, then it will compare pulse rate is greater than 100. If it is 100, at the moment it comes inside. If it is not 100, it checks sugar is greater than 200. If sugar is greater than 200, it comes inside and say need urgent medical care. And if both this condition fails, then it goes to the false section. So now let's try to compile and execute this program. So compile and execute. So pulse rate is 125, sugar level is 50, then need urgent medical care because pulse rate is very high. Correct? Okay, so let's try to execute it once again. Pulse rate is 70, which is normal, but sugar level is 400, which is very high. Then still it is saying need urgent medical care. Let's try to execute it once again. Pulse rate is 70 and sugar level is 150, then stable patient. So our program is working. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.